let's have a look at some exercises from the textbook. Let's start with exercise 2A, if the pen lets us write. On page 69. Let's have a look at question 11. And let's start with B. Okay, in question 11, it wants us to take a fraction, which in this case is 11 on 20, and convert it to a base with 100. So in this instance, we'll have to multiply it by 5, both the top and the bottom. And once we've got that, we've got 55 over 100. Then it wants us to write it, our answer, as a percentage. Okay, so we've taken a fraction, made it an equivalent fraction, converted it into a base with 100, and then written it as a percentage. Let's have a look at part K, which is probably a little harder. Now, in part K, the fraction is 5/8, 5 over 8. So we're going to need to know what to multiply by to get that to a base of 100. So let's use the calculator, and we can divide 100 by 8, and we see that it's 12.5. So what we can do is go back to our fraction, multiply both the base and the top by 12.5. The pen lets us write. There's a mind of its own, obviously. Doesn't want to write. 12.5. And then we know that it will equal 100. And 12.5 by 5 is 62.5. 62.5, so that gives us 62.5%. And let's have a look at part L. And we see that that fraction is 19 on 40. Just try and clean this up. Doesn't want to clean up. Oh, now it is. Go back to our pen. Now we'll need to multiply this by 2.5. 2.5 by 40 equals 100, gives us an equivalent fraction. And 2.5 by 19 gives us 47.5. So we've got 47.5 out of 100, which is 47.5%. Okay, so let's go and have a look at question 18. This is on page 'Let's go to question 18 on page 71. Now, it's a simple question. We're going to have a look at part G. All it's doing is showing that we can add and subtract percentages as we would normal numbers. 37.4% plus 52.9% plus, or I should say minus 15.6%. So we can just add them as a normal set of numbers, 37.4 plus 52.9. Okay, decimal point down, 9 and 4 is 13. Carry the 1, 3 and 7 is 10. Carry the 1, 6 and 3 is 9. Then we can subtract 15.6, keep the decimal point underneath itself. Okay, we can lose our place. We can just trade across the top. Okay, 6 from 13 is 7. Okay, 5 from 9 is 4. And 1 from 8 is 7. So the answer would be 74.7%. What we can do is now have a look at question 25. Hello, we've got a mistake here. Get rid of that. Question 25. Question 25 is about how many people are at a party. So let's put the information required first. And it tells us that there are 11 females and there are 9 males at a party. And then 8 females come at a time, and then 12 males come. And how many people have we got there? In this instance, we've got 19 females and we've got 21 males. And then we're told that there are a number of people who leave. So there are 13 females who leave. And there are 11 males who leave. And we want to work out how many people are left who are male and female as a percentage. So we've got 6 females left, and we've got 9 males. So we've got a total of 15 people. Then how many of those we're asked are males? Percentage are males. And you'll notice that this is a type 2 question of one amount as a percentage of another amount. We're starting with an amount as a question and we are ending up with a percentage. So we've got 9 out of a total of 15 and we'll multiply that by 100. So it becomes to 0.6 times 100. Therefore, 60% of the people are males. 60% are males.